All right, I'm going to show you a real quick video on how to change the screens. This had a vinyl screen in it, and it's just a screen door that we threw up real quick on this door. We're going to end up putting a bigger door in there. We wanted to enjoy some of this cool air. So we threw this up, but we have cats and we didn't want them to rip up the vinyl screen. So we put a metal screen in its place, and we're about to show you real quick how easy it is to replace the screen in a screen door. Alright guys, the first thing we got to do, we're going to get the screen out of here, and you can see right here, you just need to pull this band out. And now the screen will just pull out, and we'll save that screen. I'm sure we could come up with another project for it. And now I just got to put the other screen in place. Alright, I got the screen laid up on here, and I just got the end started right here. You can tell this tool here has a little groove in it, so that's how you want to get it in, and you just run it along. And make sure you're pushing hard enough. Run it right along in there. Just make sure you get it good and tight. All the way down. And then slide this down a little bit. And we got to make this little turn here. Push it down in there. Alright, make our second little turn. And And now just take the knife. Cut it short. Now, make sure it's all in good and tight. Take your knife out and cut the screen. You gotta be a little careful with this part of it so you don't accidentally scratch up your See, now the reason we took out the old vinyl screen and put the metal screen in is because we have cats. And we don't think the vinyl screen will hold up to the cats. See what I mean by I gotta be a little careful there? There you go. Now we got a nice metal screen in our door.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and grow something for your family.